A young elephant was recently rescued after a terrifying encounter with a swarm of bees near a forest village. The incident began when the elephant, likely searching for food and water, accidentally disturbed a large beehive attached to a tree. Within seconds, hundreds of angry bees swarmed around the animal, stinging it repeatedly. Startled and in severe pain, the elephant tried desperately to flee the area, trumpeting loudly as it crashed through the trees and bushes. The swarm followed relentlessly, and in its panic, the elephant stumbled into a shallow ditch and became trapped, exhausted and terrified. Local villagers who witnessed the scene were deeply concerned. They understood the danger posed by both the agitated elephant and the bees. Acting quickly, they contacted the nearest wildlife rescue team and stayed at a safe distance until help arrived. The rescue team, trained for such emergencies, reached the area within an hour, equipped with protective gear, smoke canisters, and medical supplies. As they approached, they could still hear the distressed elephant trumpeting in pain, and the sound of buzzing filled the air. The rescuers knew they had to act carefully to avoid aggravating the bees further. Using smoke, they gradually calmed the swarm and dispersed many of the bees surrounding the trapped elephant. Once it was safe to approach, team members moved in slowly and assessed the animal's condition. The elephant had multiple bee stings, especially around its eyes, trunk, and ears, which are the most sensitive parts of its body. There were also several bruises and cuts from where it had crashed through vegetation during its frantic escape. The rescuers worked methodically, applying ointments to soothe the stings and pouring cool water over the elephant's body to reduce swelling and heat. The elephant was visibly exhausted but began to relax as it realized it was being helped. The rescue team continued to monitor its breathing and heart rate while preparing a temporary enclosure nearby. Once stabilized, the elephant was gently guided out of the ditch using ropes and the assistance of a small vehicle. It took several attempts, as the animal was weak and hesitant, but eventually it managed to stand. The rescuers cheered softly, ensuring not to startle it again. With patience and teamwork, they led the elephant to a secure area where it could rest. Veterinarians from the wildlife department soon arrived to perform a more detailed medical examination. They confirmed that although the bee stings were numerous, none were life-threatening. The elephant had lost some energy and fluids due to stress and heat, so they administered saline drips and vitamins to help with recovery. The team decided to transport the animal to a nearby rehabilitation center for observation. There, it would receive continuous care, proper nutrition, and treatment for its wounds over the following days. At the rehabilitation center, the elephant was given a shaded area and constant access to clean water. Caretakers reported that it began eating normally again within a couple of days and showed signs of improvement. The swelling around its eyes reduced, and its energy slowly returned. Staff members noted that the elephant had a calm temperament and responded positively to their presence. This recovery brought immense relief to everyone involved in the rescue. The story quickly spread across social media and local news outlets, drawing admiration for the bravery and compassion of the rescue team. Many people were amazed at the teamwork between villagers, wildlife officers, and veterinarians. Their quick thinking and coordination had saved an animal's life. The incident also served as an important reminder of the delicate balance between humans and wildlife. As forests shrink and animals are forced to move closer to human settlements, such encounters become more frequent. Experts emphasize the need for awareness programs to teach communities how to handle situations like this safely and responsibly. The elephant's rescue was not just a story of survival but also a lesson in coexistence. Bees play a vital role in the environment, and elephants are crucial to maintaining forest ecosystems. Both species deserve protection and respect. The Wildlife Department has since taken steps to identify high-risk areas where beehives are common and plans to create buffer zones to prevent similar incidents. The rescued elephant, now healthy and strong again, is expected to be released back into its natural habitat once fully recovered. Before that, it will be fitted with a tracking collar to monitor its movement and ensure its safety. This heartwarming rescue demonstrated the incredible dedication of those who devote their lives to protecting wildlife. It showed that compassion, courage, and teamwork can make a real difference, even in the most challenging situations. For the elephant, what began as a moment of fear and chaos ended in safety and care. For the people who witnessed it, the event reinforced the importance of empathy toward all living creatures.